Hello, today I am going to answer a very common question I get asked, which is how do I export just my billing contacts within ConnectWise? Or I want to export all my contacts into one big Excel file, whatever you want to do with your contacts. Normally, you would think you'd be going to companies, contacts, and that's a great place to start. It does give you a list of all your contacts with their email addresses, but it doesn't give you all the attributes that you're looking for. So instead, we're going to go into Marketing Communications Manager. This is an underutilized aspect of ConnectWise PSA, so I'd love to take you through it in a little more detail. The Communications Manager also has all of your contacts with their first name, last name, and email. But what they also have are some attributes for that contact. So are they the primary contact? Are they your billing contact? And a little bit more as you go across here. If you can't see all these columns, go into the little gear and move any hidden columns into your visible columns section. You should be able to see everything after that. So we're gonna go here and filter on billing because I'm interested in only seeing my billing contacts. I'm gonna hit yes and search. And this is gonna truncate the list to only show me billing contacts. So if I needed to send an email out from here, I could select these and compose an email, or I could export just this list and have a list of only my billing contacts from the Marketing Communications Manager. Make sure to ask any questions that you might have in regards to ConnectWise PSA. Always happy to answer. Like and subscribe, and there's new videos every Wednesday.